Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is born to thrive. Today we are discussing about the behavior of the animals, like how animals behaviors help baby animal thrive. In today lecture we are discussing about the bonding and the strong relationship between parents and their offspring in animals. Objectives. First of all, we describe the behavior of animals that help their offspring to survive. Animals parents are the protector of their offspring, so they help in their survival. Next objective that we are discussing in this lecture, that is the give example of the animals and their behavior that contribute to their survival and the well-being. And the next one, that is explain how animal behaviors can be similar or different from the human behavior. First of all, how do baby animals communicate with their parents to receive the care they need? Baby animals have an array of methods to catch the attention of their parents. These behaviors play a vital role in ensuring their survival and the well being. They have different methods, different ways to communicate with their parents, like also in humans. The baby crying to get attention of their parents, and that are the same type of attention seeking methods of the offspring in animals. They attract their parents attraction and attention to communicate with their parents. They have different methods. First of all, that is vocalization. Help parents locate their young and provide them with the care they need. They have the animals having the different voices, the animals identify their young one by their voice. If we are discussing about the kitten, when the kitten is hungry or need attention, it's meow to get their mother attention. And next, the baby bird use their chirping sound and to let their parents know they are hungry or need warmth. It means that different animals have their different voices to attract their parents attention and want help. Physical signals help parent identify their offspring and ensure their protection. There are different example in the physical signaling. First of all, that is a seal pup use a specific movement like waving its flippers to get its mother attention. This is the way to get attention of their parent in a seal. And next, that is the fawn have pattern that help their parent identify and protect them. Many animals having their physical signals to get their attention from their parents and get their love and attention, and to identify their parent with different physical signals. Next, that how do parent animal communicate with their offspring to provide the care and the baby needs. Animals Next, that is the animal parent provide nourishment and comfort to their offspring. while also offering protection from their potential danger. This is the way of the parents to protect their offsprings and provide their protection to their offspring in animals. Next, that is the feeding. Feeding is the another way of providing protection to their offspring in animals. They provide the necessary nutrients for the baby animal to grow healthy and strong. The example that is the goat. Goat nurse their babies until they are old enough to eat the solid food as like other animal like cow, buffalo. They provide the milk to their offspring to get their food. And if we are discussing about the birds, the mother bird feed her hungry chick, ensuring its nourishment and growth. This is the example of the all birds to protect their offsprings and nourish. Next, that is the comforting. The other way of the animal to protect their offspring, that is the comforting. The animal comfort their offsprings, help baby animal feel safe and secure, um, promoting their emotional well-being. And the example that is lot use the physical contact like hugging or cuddling to comfort their bond there to their offspring. And also like in birds, the birds build the nest and they provide the safe and the cozy space or environment to their offspring and protect from the rain, protect from the winter season, summer season. These all the comforting behavior of the birds to their offsprings. Next one, that is the animals behavior toward their offspring, that is the protection. They ensure the safety and the survival of their baby animals. And the example that is the markets use body posture to warn their young about their potential danger. And the other example that is the dogs may fight off enemies or threats to their to protect their youngs, same as combat behavior of the animal like in hens to protect their chicks. And that is also the protection behavior is also present in all of the animals to protect their offsprings. And thank you so much for your listening this lecture is all about the animal behavior and like protection of the mother or parent of animals toward their offspring and their way of communication in animals and parent and their offspring. And I hope so this lecture is beneficial for you. And thank you so much for your watching. Keep watching, and Allah Hafiz.